morning, everyone. Hope you guys had a decent day yesterday. Market's about to open in about like a minute or so. I just wanted to show you that we are pretty high up from the pre-market point of control. You can see right here, pre-market point of control is at 25,150, and we're all the way up at 25,237. So I do think we will be coming down to at least near this area, towards the 170s. Ideally, the 150 would be touched, but I don't know if it's gonna happen at right at market open or when. So I would definitely be a little bit more short biased until we kind of reach the 170s, until we kind of reach this whole area, just a little. That's a little bit above this point of control, but we'll see what kind of happens. Right now we are in a little bit of retracement zone for a long setup, and we are above like a previous supply area, so we're gonna see if it turns into a demand zone. I'm also just bought a new account on Per Dia, so we're gonna see how that kind of goes and play out. But yeah, now we're up to 2 accounts instead of just the one. We also don't have any data that's really going to be released today. I think there is a speaker at like 7 or 7:15, or maybe both, I don't know. Yeah, nothing too crazy happening at market open right now. We're no longer in any area of interest, so we just need to wait. Yeah, the good thing is that we still have like a lot of room to the downside, like at least another 70 points to hit that pre-market point of control. So that should give us some decent opportunities to go short. Looks like market kind of wants to bounce in this area though. Who knows, maybe we will get like a tiny bounce or a bigger bounce in this area, since we did go above that old supply zone, and now it's a demand zone, potentially. There are some buyers at the top here. Right here. Doesn't seem like they were able to hold that position though. Bit of resistance. Not resistance, a bit of demand right here in this area. Yeah, again, even though we are testing this old supply area, if I see the opportunity for a short, I would rather prefer short. Just because that pre-market point of control is acting like a magnet. Yeah, so far we are holding this bottom region down here. Like pretty much this, oops, hold on. Pretty much this region we're kind of holding on to. The one I just turned blue. But we also have some buyers up here. You can kind of, if I were to zoom in, you can kind of see it here. But some buyers there. So if price is able to hold above here, then we might just push up a little bit more. But we will see what happens. Nothing too interesting as of yet. Yeah, we might keep pushing up. Which is fine. I'm putting my one indicator on the percent, delta color percent on each tick. We are in that retracement area on the 144 now for potential shorts, so I will be on the lookout for that. So as you can see, we are pulling back down now. Let's see what happens in this area. Yeah, we also did have some buyers in this region, but price is rejecting that area. I need to see more of a push higher. Okay, we get that push higher, so now I need that confirmed low. Confirmed low below this low. Or, confirmed close below this low. Okay, so good, nice down close. So I would like to see price pretty much respect this area. Okay, so now we remove this. Now we wait for the other opportunity, another setup. This is down closed, then we have the other setup. Yep, so now we just kind of wait and see if we're able to close below this low. Excuse me. Doesn't seem like it. So now we remove that again. Starting to consolidate a little bit, which is a little worrisome. I mean, it's good, but it's a little worrisome because sometimes, you know, due to the AMD accumulation manipulation distribution, you know, we can head out one way, but then it could be a fake out and then just want to go the other way. Tiny bit of buyers in this area. But yeah, you can see how it had before, like, buyers pretty much here. And I was saying that if we were to get over and kind of hold above, then we could keep pushing up. And we are pushing up a little bit right now. Nothing has really confirmed that push up for me yet, because we do have some more buyers here. So we're going to have to see if the sellers are going to be in control or if the buyers are going to be in control. Now we get that down close candle, so we want to see a confirmed break below here. Almost get that confirmed break, not quite. Now we get rid of this and we wait for another opportunity. Now we're in that area where the buyers were trying to step up before. So we're going to see what happens. We're in this area. Yeah, as long as we don't close above or wick above this high right here, then I'm still looking for the same play. Ooh, decent rejection. So now we would need that confirmed close. We do have some sellers popping up down here in this region. Let's see if it holds. If this is an up close candle, then I'm gonna delete this zone. Alright, got that close below, but I need the 21 R to also close below, so no entry yet. I got that close on the 21. Let's see. Oh, we had big buyers at the bottom. But we're gonna stick with our rules. Oh, what? Oh, that's... I don't even know what happened there.
Order filled.
That's annoying. I don't think I can take an entry with my new account just yet. Something happened. And just a little bit more of a push down to break even. All right, break even.
Stop filled.
All right, stop that, break even. I gotta go see why that happened. Maybe I had to like sign something or something, I don't know. I have to activate it? Okay. Let's see. Activate. Agreement required. I might just have to wait for another opportunity. We are keeping, it does seem like we do want to keep going low. Activate, but what? I don't even think I got like a user agreement yet. Or anything on my Gmail. I'm gonna be waiting till that 144 candle to also close. Yeah, because I entered in somewhere around here. And, you know, price did want to go my way. So I do feel good about that. The deltas on the 144 is looking good. Let's see. If I have to put like a time market data required to trade this contract, please update market data subscription placement. Okay. I guess I won't be trading with this new account yet. The 144 candle still hasn't closed, so still no opportunity. It's just kind of ranging. Ooh, there's a lot of selling here, but then a lot of buying here. It seems like market doesn't really know what it wants to do. I am in favor of the shorts for sure. Let's see. Yeah, market's really not moving too much. It's consolidating here, deciding on where it wants to go. I mean, due to my analysis earlier, I do think shorts are the better play, but as I said before, we are in that old supply area, which turned into a potential demand zone. But just funny, the market does not know what it wants to do. A lot of buys and a lot of sells have just been in this region, like this whole area. Yeah, market not doing anything good. Yeah, deltas are still looking good for the downside. Kind of just waiting for that 144 to close. There's some big buyers in this area. Let's see if it holds. You can see that the buyers really stepped in right there. Okay, so it seems like I need to go and Tradeovate and activate it. Okay. We successfully signed. Cool. Yeah, I might just wait a little bit because I'm not liking this area that market's in. Okay, thank you. That was quick. They got a good quick support team. Unlike Apex, honestly. Apex is the worst when it comes to support. I've sent them like so many emails and I've only got one response. And it took like, I don't even know, 2 weeks. Alright, let's see if I go back onto here. If it'll work yet. Probably won't. Probably have to exit out again. Yeah, that's what I thought. Connections, disconnect. Let's try reconnecting. Unless it takes like some time, I'm not sure. After signing, head over to the dashboard and click on settings. Oh, true. I have to go into my settings, market data, activate. Activate. Refresh connection there. That should force your. So now let me disconnect again on NinjaTrader and reconnect. Okay, and now if I were to do like a sell.
Order submitted.
Perfect.
Order canceled.
Wrong count. Sell.
Order submitted.
Nice.
Order canceled.
And we're good. Perfect. Alright, it seems like we are going to be able to trade it today. But nothing good. Like, look at this. On the 1 minute, look at all this buying and selling that's just been occurring. The market does not know what it wants to do right now. If we end up breaking these highs, which we actually just did, we might want to keep pushing up farther. Before seeing any sort of retracement down. Remember, we are in that old supply area, so it seems like it's turning into a demand zone. Thank you, John. Thank you. It worked. Appreciate it. Yeah, wow, this is crazy. Market does not know what it wants to do. It's just been ranging within like 45 to 50 points the first half an hour. Crazy. Nope, that is all. Thank you, John. Yeah, Perdita, their support team seems pretty good. So we did break that high, as you can see right here. But maybe we get a new opportunity because we're still in that range, or still in that retracement area. We broke that high, we're still in that retracement area. 144 candle did not close to the upside. So there's still potential room for the downside. Some buyers popping up here. Just want to double check.
Order submitted.
Nice. And it's still there on this one. Nice. Cancel.
Order canceled.
Okay. So now I am a little bit interested in the shorts again. If this can be a down close candle. Okay, now we just need that confirmed close to the downside. We got that 21R to close down. Now we're just waiting for that 34R. There's also a good amount of support, like right here, that we gotta be cautious about. Honestly, right there. Still hasn't closed below yet. Also does seem like, we did accumulate. We were accumulating. We had a tiny push to the upside. So this could be like a manipulation leg, and we can just start distributing to the downside. But we need this candle to be a down close candle. Okay, so it's not a down close candle, so now we get rid of this box. Yeah, and even on the deltas on the 144, they honestly don't know what they're doing. Actually. Right now they're very weak on both sides. Look at this. They're very weak. Look, very weak up here and very weak down there. It's nothing strong like, this one, just 0.92 up here. It's not showing anything too promising. Okay, we get that down close candle. I'm waiting until we kind of have a wick below this low over here before I call it quits with this trade idea. So I'd like to see a confirmed down close outside of this zone on the 34. I think what would be good is if we do down close, we hit this little area where there is a good amount of buyers and stuff. Then we just kind of bounce back into here, and then we continue breaking down to the downside. We get that 34R close to the downside and the 21R, so now we just have to wait for a retracement back inside there. Yep, now we're touched back into that zone.
Order submitted.
Stop above this high. Let's see what happens here. Oh, I think I saw it in the 5. Yeah, break even for sure. I think I saw that at 5.5. Yep.
Target filled.
All right, target filled, and we're done for the day. Nice, nice. And that's it. I'm just sticking to one trade a day. If the first trade is a win, then I'm definitely just sticking to one trade a day. But if it's a loss, then I'll probably try to do at least one more trade. If that second trade is a loss, then I'll probably call it, to be honest. But yeah, that's a good trade overall, I would say. Where do we enter? Enter there. So it seems like the 144 candle kind of closed right here. So we kind of entered a little bit before. Okay. Yeah, and even if you set like a sell stop order right here at 27, you still would have gotten a quick 10 points for sure. Let's see. I could even, wait to target the 50 area or like this area, the 1, because typically it does hit. But again, I'm not that kind of person. I don't really need that. Like me, I'm fine risking, 30 points just to make 10. That's perfectly fine with me because I tend to move my stop loss to break even fairly quickly, and also price doesn't really tend to go in the opposite direction too much before I move my stop loss to break even. Sometimes, price does move a little quick before I can move to break even, so you kind of have to be quick with that. But besides that, it's honestly not too bad. So yeah, with that, I'm gonna end the stream and just don't overtrade. One trade a day keeps 9 to 5 away, as I keep saying. So with that being said, peace.